Have you ever been to a cockfight before?
No.
That's right.
And I thought, what can I get? And I thought, and I said, here's the garbage can that we've got the feed in, and here's the lid. So I got the lid, and I said, you get away. You get away.
Oh, I love to have seen that.
And I said, I said, there was a car went by, I said, help!
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. Help! And then,
Over a chicken?
listen, and then the,
One chicken.
listen, and then the Lord stepped in.
And did what?
And he said, you ought to be ashamed of yourself. That chicken does not have authority.
I beat
you,
you,
have
Daddy.
authority over it.
Daddy, I beat my popsicle.
In Jesus' name, get back. I rebuke you in Jesus. Get back. In Jesus' name. And I kept saying, in Jesus' name. And the more I said, in Jesus' name, I started calming down. And I said, in Jesus' name, you get back. Then he went. And I said, and I had that head, I had that head, I said, in Jesus' name, and he was going.
So, Brenda, what did you do while he was flogging you?
As you walk by, you should look at garbage can lid. Or in Jesus' name. That's it. In Ben's name, slap!